So in case you're wondering what's going on, this is my Halloween home tour, outdoor home tour. And this year with our outdoor decor, we kind of wanted to tell a story. We thought we could save some money that way. And this is the mean old witch that used to live at our house, and we caught her. Tied her up. Look how mean she is. She's such an evil old witch. We tied her up, and we are using all of her spoils. So her boiling cauldron pot behind her, we get to use, and some other fun things that you'll see around her house. And these are her poisoned apples. And we're going to somehow unpoison them. I'm not really sure. But we just tried to use our imagination. We didn't want to spend $10 bajillion, and we thought this would be a great way to do that. So we just put a couple little touches here and there. And I think the star of the show for us, and the thing that we worked the hardest on, were the brooms. Guys, we made these brooms from scratch. We went out on a wooded trail near our house, and we looked for some bigger sticks, and we got lucky and found some pretty birch sticks. And then we also looked for different types of twigs and brush that could make up the brush portion of the broom. And we had a lot of fun doing this. And you know, I thought it was going to take a really long time, but it only took like 20 minutes to find the things that we needed. As you can see here, this is just kind of some kind of grass that we found that had already been cut and was just laying on the ground. And we used like a wire, like a floral wire, to hold it on to the stick. And then you can see that top one there is just hay, it's just straw. And we tied that to a piece of birch. So there she is, the Wicked Witch, and we are taking advantage of all her spoils. I hope you guys like this. I hope you can see that you can use your imagination and you don't have to spend a lot of money to make it fun for your kids and other kids and people who come by that trick or treat. If you haven't already, subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Give me a like if you like this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you think you want to try making a witch's broom this Halloween.